So, you don't feel that we are being befooled for last 75 years? Hello? Do you feel that we are being befooled for last 75 years? Oh, we can change. Basically, we had been befooled. There was an absolute tacit understanding between Jawaharlal Nehru and the Britishers. And हमने जो है ट्रांसफर ऑफ पावर भीख में लिया है. And this nasty Jawaharlal Nehru, I don't have the I don't have enough word for.
Just 1 minute. I'm actually at airport. I will give you all. My son is going to Canada.
Okay. Then I think whenever you are free, you can make a call. I mean, you just comfortably see him off, and we will be talking sometime. But I feel that there's a need of a larger deliberations, and all good Indians, they should come together to defeat these bloody politicians, because they have deliberately imposed all rules which were framed by the Britishers to rule slave Indians. On us, they have thrust the same colonial administrative and judicial system, where you will be running after getting justice, you will never get justice. And these politicians themselves are criminals, ruffians, hooligans, not properly educated, rather they are illiterate, and they do not have wisdom, and they do not have any mission and vision to take this country at the higher level. They are devoid of the wisdom to make it happen. And with
Sir, I will call you back just now because
right, sure. Ravindra, it's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you. Bye.